just understanding the course a little bit better. But that's why Jamie's going to start hands-free and then go to hands-full. If that is an effect, we should cancel it out by changing the order that we do the test in. That's the theory, anyway.
Want to see what you can do with it?
I'm going to suck, I can tell you already.
Not only will Jamie increase their sample size, but by going hands-free first,
Jamie and I almost never actually speak on the phone, so this actually has a bit of novelty to me.
the guys are trying to eliminate any course learning bias.
This is Jamie.
Ah, good afternoon, Jamie. It's Adam.
Go ahead and start driving, and I'm going to start asking you some questions.
Adam starts with a simple icebreaker.
All right. Hey, Jamie, if you could wake up tomorrow and gain any single quality or ability, what would it be and why?
I could fly.
Why?
But even that proves too much for Jamie.
Well, because then I could go, what was the question again?
Why would you like to fly?
Well, because that would, it would save a lot of gasoline, actually. And, you know, I could, oh, look at that. I bumped over a whole bunch of things.
With no improvement over the rest of the course,
I'd like you to add the numbers 4 and 7.
Let's see, 4 and 7,
Tick-tock, Grandpa.
10. Or no, 11.
Jamie scores the worst result of the day, a disappointing 66.
That was awesome. He starts every answer with, let's see. I'm sure I was doing the same things, but it's very enjoyable to listen to someone so distracted.
A quick reset later, and they're set for the 4th and final run.
Hello.
All right,
Start your driving.
Jamie, hands full.
I'm going to read you a list of words and ask you to repeat them in a reverse order.
Crash, burn, demolish.
Demolish, burn, crash.
EMT, ambulance, doctor. There's quite a narrative implied by these.
Doctor, ambulance, EMT.
Yes.
Despite having only one hand on the wheel and swapping the phone mid-drive, Jamie scores 72. A fail by some distance, but an improvement nonetheless. So what does this mean for the myth?
Okay, now, for this myth to be true, Jamie's hands-free score had to match his hands-full score, and so did mine, but that didn't quite happen. Graphics, help me out. You can see that I drove better hands-free, while Jamie drove better hands-full. But that data also shows that we both improved on our second runs because we had experience of the course. Now, if we remove that bias by averaging Jamie's and my data, what do we get? Beautiful, near identical scores for each of the two techniques. But we are not done yet for two particular reasons. One, our course isn't very real world. For starters, there's no traffic. Second, and perhaps more importantly, is Jamie's and my driving abilities. We've both received tons of training over the years in lots of different driving techniques. We are quite far from your average Joes, and that is what we need next. Three, two, one, go! Now, Jamie and I have already gone pretty far teaching ourselves the rudiments of driving in reverse. But if we're gonna get really good at this, we're gonna need to get trained by an expert. Luckily, we have an expert in reverse tactical driving, right here. Hello, sir.
Hello. Brian Fraser is a trainer at the Emergency Vehicle Operations course here in California. Now, we've used him repeatedly over past years whenever we've had to learn how to deal with a particularly difficult driving situation. And driving at speed in reverse certainly qualifies.
All right, Brian.